Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is our next module number MECH underscore P underscore 050 underscore Raymond Survey John Ute. Statement: a truck on a straight road starts from rest. VI is 0, accelerating at 2.00 meter per second square until it reaches a speed of 20.0 meter per second. Then the truck travels for 20.0 seconds at a constant speed. Constant speed means acceleration 0. Okay? The truck travels at 20.0 seconds at constant speed until the brakes are applied, stopping the truck in a uniform manner in an additional 5.0 seconds. Okay, 20 seconds plus 5 seconds. Okay, 25 seconds. Part A, how long is the truck in motion? Part B, what is the average velocity of the truck for the motion described? Here, students, we will see that total displacement has been divided into 3 parts. Similarly, total time has been divided into 3 parts. Okay? Now we move on to next slide to see its solution. Solution part A. Using Vi equal to 0 because it starts from rest. Vf equal to 20.0 meter per second given. T is equal to unknown. Okay, T is to be known, T is to be determined. Acceleration A is given, which is equal to 2.00 meter per second square. We know that final velocity is equal to initial velocity plus acceleration into time. That is Vf is equal to Vi plus At. This implies that from this expression, if T is left on one side, then this takes the form as T equal to Vf minus Vi over A. Putting the above values in this expression, T becomes equal to 20.0 meter per second minus 0 meter per second divided by 20.0 meter per second square. This alternatively becomes equal to 10.0 second. Okay? Because meter will be cancelled with meter and s square will be shifted upper on numerator and 1s will be cancelled with 1s. Okay, simple second will be left. Okay, this is the time taken before, this is the time taken from rest to acceleration 2.00 meter per second square. After this time, truck travels for 20.0 second and then 5.00 second till stopping. Hence, total time is equal to 10.0 second plus 20.0 second plus 5.00 second, which alternatively becomes equal to 35.0 second. Okay, dear students, this is 5.00 second. S is hidden behind camera by mistake. Okay, this is no issue. Okay, hence total time has become equal to 35.0 second. Now We move on to next slide to see solution of part B. There are three time intervals: 10.0 second, 20.0 second and 5.0 second. So that 10.0 second plus 20 plus 20.0 second plus 5.00 second is equal to 35.0 second. Let x1, x2, x3 be the distances traveled during these three intervals respectively. Okay. Then x1 is equal to vt is equal to 0 meter per second plus 20.0 meter per second divided by t divided by 2 into 10.0 second. Okay, because we have to take average velocity, so average will be initial plus final divided by 2. Okay, so x1 becomes alternatively equal to 100 meter. Now xt will be calculated from other equation of motion. Okay, now xt is equal to vt plus half at square. This alternatively becomes equal to 20.0 meter per second into 20.0 second plus half into 0, because it is given in the statement that at constant speed. Okay, constant speed means acceleration 0. So we have put value of acceleration a equal to 0 multiplied by 20.0 second square. Now x2 alternatively becomes equal to 400 meter. Okay, x1 has become equal to 100 meter, x2 has become equal to 400 meter. Now x3 equal to vt equal to 20.0 meter per second plus 0 meter per second, because here, dear students, in this case final velocity has become 0, truck has become to rest, so initial velocity will be 20.0 meter per second while final velocity will be 0. Whether we simply write it as 0 or we write 0 meter per second, it does not make any difference. Okay, divided by 2 for average, initial plus final divided by 2, average of addition of initial and final. Okay, multiplied by 5.00 second, which is the time for third distance. Third interval is 5.00 second, after which truck comes to rest. Okay, so x3 becomes alternatively equal to 10 meter per second into 5.00 second. Second will be cancelled with second, and hence x3 becomes equal to 50.0 meter. Now total distance is equal to x equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 equal to 100 meter plus 400 meter plus 50 meter is equal to 550 meter. But we had to find average velocity. So now average velocity is equal to delta v is equal to x over t. Putting the values of x and t, 550 meter divided by 35.0 second, this alternatively becomes equal to 15.71 meter per second. Hence average velocity becomes equal to 15.71 meter per second, and this is the end of our module. Okay.